Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today, February 6th, Monday. We start the week without any big important economic data. We only have the 3-month and 6-month bill actions. So today, regarding economic data, it's quite silent. So let's focus on price action and news. We have no news regarding the big tech stocks, nothing major. I think there's nothing in the macro environment fundamentally that changed since Friday. But look at this. We are down here at 12,000 between 600 and 500. So since Friday, if you take a look, we jumped 2% in that Friday morning, and we gave up like a lot since the afternoon. I think we gave up like more or less the entire move, and we finished the day. If we check the daily, we finished the day well, putting this red candle with a little bit of a topping tail. And right now, look at this doji. This doji shows indecision, balance, equilibrium. We are quite worried. The sentiment overall is just continuing lower. As you can see, during pre-market, we were trying to hold this purple line that is prior low, Friday's low. We broke that. We kind of broke down. We marked the pre-market low at 12,550. And after the open, we are just chopping around. We tried to go higher. We got denied. 600 got denied. And we basically rotated to the downside to check that pre-market low. And now we are again bouncing again. We are range bound. And if you check the volume profile, you can see that there's a lot of volume at 550, 12,560 more or less, sitting there, shorting everything and trying to perform a lot of trades in this area. That's yesterday's low. So basically not even settlement from Friday. We are rotating at low, Friday's low. So today there's nothing economic in related with economic data. There's no news. I think part of the reason we are here is because after unemployment and payrolls numbers, more people are starting to think that maybe we were too bullish, too positive. Yields are trying to tell us a different story. Let's focus on the daily. Well, we check the price action. We are range bound today in the red. Apple leading, well, no, Google is also minus 2%, but Apple is down 1.40%, trying to break out of this descending trend, but I don't think it's strong enough. So let's talk about dollar and yields. Dollar, as you can see, honestly, it's put in a nice move. We call in this channel 101 as the bottom, and we are starting to see a lot of movement. If we check futures, volume is decent. It's more than the previous red candles. We have this volume, red volume here, but I mean, it's quite decent. And look at the RSIs. This movement is quite strong right now, testing the 45 EMA. So if we go back to the XY, to the index, we can see that without hesitation, dollar is starting to look quite strong for now. We would have to wait to see the pullback and see where buyers commit again. But as I was saying in my previous videos last week and previous weeks, after the big earnings that we already have had Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Amazon. The big ones are done. They were mixed and mostly bad earnings with bad guidance. And I think part of the money flow, part of the smart money is moving into cash, into Forex trading. In this big Nasdaq and overall market S&P's move, there has been no buying from smart money. All this move it's been the result of retails losing their minds. So if you couple that with strong move, 3 big candles on the forex pair on the dollar index, you can see that I think now they are starting to go a little bit on the defensive side. They don't want to even short this market until more clear direction is done on the economy regarding Fed, regarding the outlook after earnings. I mean, there's a lot of uncertainty again. After all this run, bullish run, dollar is showing signs of strength. And more than that, look at this is the 2-year yield. Look at this move. This big candle Friday, it's telling us that, well, I think bonds market is saying that yields are going to be quite high. I was calling also on Friday that we might see again on the 2-year 5.6 and on the 10-year 3.9. Look at these moves. Bonds market are starting to price in bigger yields. And regarding terminal rates, right now we are on the 475% of federal interest rates. If we check April, they are starting to go higher with 2 big candles. April is in 2 months. But look at September. Look at this. This is huge. September is telling us 5.1. I think it's trying to go for this 5.25. It would make a lot of sense, because let me change that to daily template. Okay. Right now we have 475. If we raise again in March 25 basis points, we will be at 5 already. And bonds market are saying, well, we are already here at 5. Maybe unemployment, labor market is too strong, payrolls, wages are too strong. Maybe Fed will continue hiking rates until maybe 25 or 50 more points. So in this range, there's this range of 25 basis points between 5 and 525, in which I think bond market are trying to decide whether we are going to see 2 more 25 basis points hikes from the Fed, or 125 and maybe one unexpected 50. I don't know, but be prepared, because the picture is quite clear. Overall market is seeing weakness. Dollar is seeing strength, and yields are going higher, like 3 to 3% per day. So take that into account, because December also is trying to say, well, maybe we were wrong when we were thinking about an interest rate cut at the end of the year. I mean, be smart and follow these markets, follow the bonds market, because maybe the Fed is not wrong, and markets, as they usually do, they were ahead of themselves. So we are seeing that correction. Let's mark also the 5 on the December. And I'm for sure following these moves and these markets, because It makes sense to me. I was saying after that unemployment and payrolls numbers that Fed was not thinking about stopping any hikes. And we were going again on the green on Friday. It made no sense to me. And this makes sense. This is a logical move. And I think smart money is already moving and taking action on that. Be smart, follow these markets, and you will have, I think, leading indicators or leading moves before they happen on the overall market. I think we can see perfectly fine a pullback to 12,300, and I think Nasdaq will continue looking bullish. But from there to there, it's 200 points. So be smart. Don't think about going parabolic right now because there are certain markets that are starting to see some defensive moves. So be prepared, be smart, be patient, and take those opportunities. As always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Remember that I upload new videos every single day for market forecast, market updates, and market recap. I appreciate your time, and remember, the trading day is not over yet. We are seeing a little bit of a pullback from Friday and quite range bound day to day, chopping around in between two clear levels. So if you like these markets, you are free to trade them. If you are like me, that I hate range bound activity, I will just wait for tomorrow and for the rest of the week to take better opportunities. Discipline and risk management are key for your success. Stay safe, everyone.